Hello, today we will discuss about how to do streamline of this soap bubble is released in the air and rise with the velocity of this function, and we will find out in Python code as well as in hand calculation also. Please share and subscribe to my channel. This v velocity function is equal to 0.8x I plus this is complex number 0.06 t square j. So here you can see that they had given x value and t value, so we will just put it 0.08 multiplied by 2 I plus 0.06 phi, because t is equal to given phi j. Now we'll, if you multiply this equation 0.6 I plus 1.5 j, like this equation you got. Now we will find out the magnitude of this complex number. V is equal to under root 1.6 square plus 1.5 square, and our theta is equal to tan inverse 1.6 meter per second and 1.5 meter per second, and we got the theta. Now this derivation we will write out in Python code. First we will derive the equation of this complex number of this streamline equation. So first we have to integrate our, if you know that dy upon dx is equal to du upon dv upon du. So here you can see that dy upon dx is equal to 0.06 t square divided by 0.08 x. Now if t goes here and this dx goes here, so here you can see that I will write as 1 upon integration of 3 to, because our dy is equal to 3 meter, so from 3 to y, and I will say t dy upon 1 upon t square is equal to this x is equal to our 2, so 2 meter 2 up to x, and here dx, if you consider 0.06 divided by 0.8, it will come 0.075 and divided by x. If you write out solve this equation, it will become 1 by t square y minus 3, and here 0.075 1 by x is equal to ln x minus ln 2, so it will become 0.075 multiplied by ln x divided by 2. By this way you will find out the equation of this y. So if you convert this equation into this t is equal to 5 second, you will get y is equal to 1.875 ln x by 2 plus 3 meter. It is function with respect to, this is function between x and y of this bubble streamline at any instant of this time. Now we will draw or plot in this Python, and we will solve this complex number in Python equation. Now I will go for Jupyter Lab. Here you can see that I have already imported CMath. It is for complex mathematical function, and import NumPy as for this our convert in degree and notation. Here you can see that I had defined one variable cnum is equal to, you have to just write this equation 1.6 1.6, and this I will write as plus 1.6 plus 1.5 j, and print absolute value of this equation. And this here you can see that I will write this equation as, you have to simple write AB as of this V. So here you can see that I had given C num, so I will say AB as C num, and for degree it is theta is equal to C mat dot phase. It will given as a phase, and what is the value of this? So it is C num, so it will convert C num in phase, and now we will convert this print this phase number, and this is numpy dot degree, means it will convert this radian into degree. If I run this code, here you can see that I got the absolute value of 2.19 and phase angle is 43.15 degree. Now I'll write x is equal to numpy dot linspace. I'll start with 0 and end with 10, and I will divide in 10 number of division, and y is equal to 1.875 multiplied by np numpy dot log weight. So this is numpy dot log of this x, and divide by 2 plus 0.3, this is in meter, and we will define import plt dot plot of x comma y. If you run this code, you will got the plt is not defined, because I had not write this command import matplotlib.pyplot. I will just write it here and run this code. Here you can see that I had this is got the graph of function, streamline function of this bubble, and by this way I will change this number of division into 100, and I will write as 100. I will say 200, number of division is 200. If I run this code, here you can see that I got the graph of this velocity profile of this function. So please share and subscribe to my channel for more video and for more update. Thank you guys.